7 minus 6 equals 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 1 will be our answer. Is it okay? No, it is not okay. It is incorrect. So we have to handle question again. So 7 minus 6 times 7 minus 6 can be solved by obeying PEMDAS, in which first of all parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and finally subtraction will be handled in this order. So first of all we have to multiply. 7 minus, it will give us 42 minus 6. Now 7 minus 42 gives us minus 35, and it is minus 6, which when solved we will get minus 41. It will be correct answer for this simple but tricky question. Thank you.